Hi, in this video, I will show you some key Shift improvements. Shift is a workflow authoring and automation system, and it now helps its users to achieve their goals in many new different ways. We have redesigned the script editor for our Python nodes. Now the script editor is color-coded, helping Python developers in their task of prototyping new Shift capabilities. You can now reorder your custom plugs on every node to better present the information in the workflow. Simply drag and drop the plugs using the new tool we introduced in Shift. Connecting nodes plugs can be difficult when we are working with a crowded workflow. Now Shift plugs act like magnets to the connection, snapping the connection to nearest plug. When creating your own nodes catalogs or using third-party nodes, it is possible to define nodes as beta or deprecated. This will help users to complete their work in the safest way possible, without necessarily slowing down the development process. These are just a few examples of how we have improved Shift over the past few months. Version 1 is around the corner, so stay tuned for more news. Thanks.